Alright guys, so I am out here waiting on our food. We are waiting on our food. I'm waiting for my man to bring our food back to the car. But I want to film a mukbang. You okay? I want to film a mukbang because I haven't filmed a mukbang in so long. And it's so beautiful outside, guys. And it's like cold outside. And I'm not getting this because it's usually not this cold like in March. Like we usually get our warm weather coming like in March. So kind of confused on why it's cold, but can't be too confused because whatever God wants, you know, is what we're gonna get. Not you know. But over here is like where we at is like mostly where I experience like my panic attacks, guys. It's because of the way the roads are made over here. It just makes me nervous, and people drive extra crazy over here. To me, people drive extra crazy over here. And I don't like to really drive this way if I don't have to. I haven't been driving yet, but I want to. I really have the desire to do so. So I'm thinking, so hold up. I ain't even see him coming to the door. Thank you.
I'm trying to shoot a video. Huh?
Yeah, I'm trying to do a video.
No.
And I'm not taking this part out.
What part?
This part right here. I'm not editing this part out.
Oh no. Yeah, we getting food and we ain't editing this. You know what I'm saying?
Got to be more careful.
Got to be more careful. Got to be more careful. Yeah, Antoine. Thank you. Put
Look. So this is my first time ever wearing his shirt. I got this shirt from Old Navy, and I got these pants on, y'all. I like these pants, and I'm gonna show y'all my shoes so y'all can see my outfit of the day. I'm gonna get out the car and show you guys my outfit of the day because that's what I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna get out of the car. I shouldn't even did it because I could have got out of the car and showed, but it says Mama Needs a Minute. I thought this was so cute. I got this from Old Navy. I really love this shirt, y'all. Yeah, we are at McDonald's. And I love when we pull up to restaurants because Anthony, he get really excited when, I'm sorry y'all for the glare in the light. I'm sorry, my lightning is so bad. I probably need to put something over this when I film my mukbang so you guys can see me clearer, cause y'all, I'm over here looking crazy. There's a car wash right here, y'all. Got a Winn-Dixie. And there's a lot of stuff over here. I used to live over here for a good little while. I really love living over here. But in this day and age, my nerves is too bad to live over here for real. Because the way the driving set up around here is not good, okay? And I really need to get in the swing of things to start back driving because my kids, they have testing in a couple of weeks. And I want to just start off, you know, by probably driving around the neighborhood. It's spring break, so I probably can get a lot of practice in and get a lot of, you know, get a lot of driving in. What's the matter? Hold on, y'all. I got to check on my baby. Got to check on him first, y'all. What in the world? All right, so I have like Big Mac and fries for brunch because we here woke up late today, guys. So this is what we are having, lunch in our bag. Okay, guys, so I got a Big Mac and some fries. This is what it's looking like. My son back there fussing. What you need, son? I can get you guys a bite, man. These fries are good. He must have ran out of fries. I'm gonna give him some of my fries. He ran out of fries. That's why he was fussing y'all. I also got some orange soda. Yes. I don't know why my window was down. I don't even understand why it was down. Anyways, got these fries. I remember this gospel song, but it came on the Gospel Network. For those who live in Jacksonville, who remember the gospel station? What it's called? They say, "You're walking in the light." Who remember that? Cause they used to play this song. It's called. They used to go, "I'm so hungry, I want me something to eat." It just reminds me of that song. Every time I get a Big Mac, I think about that song. Anyways, I got to start getting my daughter bigger meals when we go to McDonald's. These kids are growing and they don't eat like they used to. It's good. They don't eat like they used to. This Big Mac is actually good. The fries just really, really salty. Who fries do you like better when you go out to eat? McDonald's, Wendy's, Burger King, or anybody else? Chick-fil-A, or anybody else? Ooh, excuse me now. Or anybody else I didn't pick. It's really good. If I do drink soda, y'all, I'll drink orange or Sprite or grape. Comment down below, what soda do you like if you drink soda? If not, what juice do you like? Or what drinks you prefer? At Starbucks or anywhere? Because I want to try that Starbucks dragon fruit drink. I really, really want to try it. These kids, he actually I think Anthony got like a bigger meal. Excuse me, y'all. He got a 6-piece nugget because we don't give him a 4-piece because he'll eat all that 4-piece so fast. So we got him a 6-piece nugget. I don't know if his dad upgraded his fries or not. If his dad upgraded his fries or not. And I don't want them to be like hungry or anything, so I probably give them the rest of my fries to my daughter if she want them. She can share them with her brother. Y'all figure out how to make the Big Mac sauce. If y'all want me to do a video on it, comment down below. I still got to film my question and answer, my Q&A video. Y'all, I'm eating this food so fast because this is my first meal of the day. And it's like 106. It's 106. I don't know which one of them going first. I'm about to end this mukbang, y'all. I'm gonna be back after this mukbang. I'm sorry this was like a quick mukbang. But I know I'm gonna end it soon. But y'all, this mukbang was all over the place. Y'all, because of my panic attacks and stuff, I missed my brother's wedding, which is not a good thing. And I'm just praying that I don't miss any other important events. I just been praying about that, for real, for real. I want to get back to myself, y'all. I'm going to get back to myself. I'm going to speak it into existence. I'm going to speak that thing into existence. I got so much to be grateful for. So I'm not going to dwell on what's not going right. I don't want to dwell on it because it's a lot of positive things going on in my life. So I want to not lose track of it. I don't want to lose track of it. I want to focus on, you know, stuff like that. I don't want to focus on positive, y'all. Because God is going to get me through this, y'all. I know He is. If He did it before, He can do it again, y'all. Yeah, okay. I'm just over here. This is like a real ghetto mukbang, y'all. Real ghetto.
Yeah, just like your hat. I'm just kidding.
I wonder if he's working on that apartment tonight or though. It looks like it. It wasn't filled to the rim, y'all. I'm glad it wasn't. Because I'm not trying to be eating all that. This is a big thing of fries. No, I scalded down this food. I was hungry. These fries are salty. This drink is much needed. It is 111. 1111. I love seeing like angel numbers. Y'all, this thing make me want to burp. I don't know who's going first, y'all. Which one y'all going first? I'm about to end this video, y'all, because I'm just running my mouth, y'all. I'm about a whole bunch of nothing. And y'all so supportive. I'm just so grateful for each and every one of y'all guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't already. And I'm going to see y'all in the next video. I'm going to be getting, it's going to be much better videos than this, so stay tuned, guys. It's going to be much better videos than this, I promise. This video was all over the place. Share me out, guys. Love y'all.